this video, I will show you how to fix TikTok privacy settings. Firstly, you need to get up to your profile setup on your TikTok. Then you need to tap on your right upper side on the three dots. And right after you get there, you need to choose up the right option, which is settings and privacy here. Right after you get there, you need to go on the privacy setup on the second selection. And right here, you're going to find out many different options in which you need to go firstly to that selection, which is for suggest your account to others. And right here, as you can see, all of these sites are turned on. If they are, for example, by getting up turned off, you need to make sure, for example, if it looks like this one, you need to get up and take over all of them to the right side. After you get this section and you still got confused by during all these types, you need simply to take that restart on or simply get off all these setups, and then you need to get back and go to Signs, Contacts and Friends. Here also you need to turn off this setup, and when you get from that selection, what you need to do, also the first side here needs to be by turn off to take that restart on the full site on your TikTok. Then go down for personalization and go for downloading your data. Right over here, you're going to be available to take a look on your downloaded data. As you can see here, you don't have that set up, but if you want, you can request that data to take over and download the setups in which you cannot lose everything what you have because of your problems that you have on your privacy setup. And after you get these things, you need to restart the application, and then you can also restart your phone.